Hello friends and fans, I am your host Hazan Naim and you are watching Hazlai IOC on my channel. So today I will show you how to download, install and play Ben 10 Alien Force NDS. First of all, you need these three things. I will provide the link in description. First of all, you need Ben 10 Alien Force NDS. Extract it here. Now install GTN. I have already installed it, so I don't need to install. Then extract NDS emulator, open it, run as administrator. Now click file and click open ROM. Now locate where you have install Ben 10 Alien Force NDS. Open it, click on and click open. So it's loading. Now you can see it's opening. It's very cool game. You can download it and play it. I will show you something about this game. So you can see